What is a credit repair virtual assistant? A credit repair virtual assistant is a remote professional dedicated specifically to supporting credit repair businesses. Their primary responsibilities include handling tasks related to credit dispute management, maintaining client communication, and organizing administrative workflows. 5 reasons to hire a virtual assistant for credit repair. You're experiencing bottlenecks in day-to-day tasks. The credit repair process is made up of a wide variety of routine, yet time-consuming tasks. Data entry, dispute tracking, and document management tasks seem easy enough, but when they start to pile up, they'll soon slow down turnaround times and prevent you from serving more clients efficiently. There's little to no time left for higher-level work and strategic planning. When you have a lean team, it's typical to wear multiple hats. This may work initially, but it may be difficult to sustain in the long run. Constantly shifting between administrative tasks and core responsibilities can leave little room for strategic thinking. Over time, this limits your ability to plan for growth, optimize processes, and pursue new opportunities. Customer satisfaction is declining. A business needs to satisfy customers if they want to increase retention rates, boost recommendations, and build a strong reputation in the industry. But when you're stretched too thin, service quality often takes a hit. You want to improve compliance and accuracy. Credit repair requires careful attention to regulations and documentation. As your workload increases, the risk of errors, compliance gaps, and missed deadlines also rises. Ensuring accuracy and consistency becomes increasingly difficult when you and your team are stretched too thin. You've hit a growth ceiling. According to researchandmarkets.com's report on the credit repair services market, the demand for credit repair services is expected to reach $10.57 billion by 2030. However, without the right operational support, keeping up with that growth becomes a challenge. Even when the demand is high, your lean credit repair team won't be able to take on more clients or scale up your operations. Overcoming administrative bottlenecks, compliance risks, and growth ceilings requires strategic support. If you relate to these 5 reasons, it's time to hire a credit repair virtual assistant. What a credit repair virtual assistant actually does. Credit repair VAs can work on a wide variety of tasks. Here are the 4 key task categories they can support your team with. Customer support, managing client intake and onboarding, scheduling appointments and consultations, handling email and phone inquiries, providing chat support, conducting follow-ups on disputes, creating and maintaining FAQs and help resources, back office support, developing and updating SOP documentation, reviewing client credit reports for errors or inconsistencies, preparing and organizing dispute documentation, managing invoicing and tracking payments, maintaining accurate client records and databases. Document management, collecting and verifying IDs and financial documents, generating and organizing credit reports, maintaining secure cloud storage systems, updating CRM systems and client files, ensuring compliance with documentation standards, reporting and analytics, tracking dispute progress and turnaround times, monitoring key performance metrics, preparing client progress reports, analyzing trends in disputes and resolutions. Credit repair demand continues rising while regulatory complexity increases. Getting the right help isn't optional, it's essential for credit repair firms that want to thrive. With skilled VAs, you can give your operations a boost, support more customers, and scale more efficiently. 24/7 VA serves as an experienced VA staffing partner that understands the complexities modern businesses face. Stop drowning in dispute spreadsheets and start building the best credit repair operation you can. Book your free consultation session with 24/7 VA and start scaling without adding overhead costs.
FOUR 7